For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, Florida, doors do more than simply provide entry and exit. They protect your family, influence energy efficiency, and define your home's overall appearance. Yet, many people underestimate the importance of professional door installation when upgrading or replacing their doors. While it might seem tempting to tackle a DIY project to save on costs, professional installation ensures lasting performance, security, and value. In the long run, investing in expert installation is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your Green Cove Springs home. Why proper door installation matters. Doors endure constant use and exposure to Florida's climate, sun, humidity, and storms all take a toll. Even the best quality door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Misaligned hinges, uneven seals, and improper frame fitting can lead to costly issues, including drafts and air leaks that raise energy bills, moisture intrusion causing rot, mold, or warped frames, reduced security due to weak hardware alignment, shortened door lifespan from stress and wear. Professional installation eliminates these risks by ensuring the door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and is properly sealed against Green Cove Springs' humid and unpredictable weather. Long-term benefits of professional door installation: enhanced energy efficiency. In a warm and humid climate like Green Cove Springs, energy efficiency is essential. Professionally installed doors come with precise sealing and insulation that prevent cool air from escaping and humid air from entering. Over time, this helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and can lower utility bills by up to 20%. Unlike DIY installations, professionals ensure the door is squarely aligned and tightly fitted, leaving no gaps for air or moisture to pass through, saving you money month after month. Improved home security. A door is one of your home's first lines of defense. Professional installers use reinforced frames, secure locks, and tamper-resistant hardware to ensure maximum protection. A poorly installed door, however, can compromise even the strongest materials, making it easier for intruders to pry open weak points. With professional installation, you can rest easy knowing your doors are not only stylish but also secure, built to withstand both storms and unwanted visitors. Durability and longevity. When doors are installed correctly, they're built to last. Professionals understand how to account for Florida's humidity, expansion, and contraction patterns, ensuring the door frame remains stable over time. Proper installation prevents premature wear and warping, allowing your door to maintain its strength and aesthetic appeal for years. This longevity translates directly to long-term savings, as you won't need frequent repairs or early replacements. Increased property value. Professional door installation is a subtle yet impactful upgrade that boosts your home's market appeal. Buyers in Green Cove Springs appreciate energy-efficient, secure, and well-installed doors that enhance curb appeal while lowering long-term maintenance costs. In fact, door replacement projects consistently rank among the top home improvements for return on investment, ROI, often yielding 70 to 80% of their cost back in added resale value. Manufacturer warranty protection. Many door manufacturers offer warranties, but they're often valid only if the door is installed by certified professionals. DIY or improper installation can void these warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for any defects or performance issues. By hiring experienced installers, you not only ensure top quality results but also preserve your product's warranty for long-term peace of mind. Why choose local professionals in Green Cove Springs? Local installers bring valuable experience working with Florida's coastal climate and building codes. They understand how to properly seal and reinforce doors against humidity, salt air, and seasonal storms. Additionally, local professionals can recommend materials and styles best suited for Green Cove Springs homes, such as fiberglass doors that resist warping or steel doors that provide extra strength and insulation. Final thoughts for homeowners in Green Cove Springs: professional door installation isn't just about getting a new door, it's about investing in lasting performance, energy savings, and peace of mind. With expert installation, you'll enjoy improved comfort, security, and efficiency for years to come. Whether upgrading your entryway for better aesthetics or replacing worn-out doors to protect against the Florida climate, trusting professionals ensures you get the full value of your investment. In the long run, the results speak for themselves. A safer, more efficient, and more beautiful home built to stand the test of time.